Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to study about the topic demography and family planning, that is population problem of India. From health education and community pharmacy, demography and family planning, that is population problem of India. The topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: population problem of India, causes of population explosion. Population problem of India. India is the second most populous country in the world with over 1.21 billion people from 2011 census. More than a sixth of the world's population, already containing 17.5% of the world's population. India is projected to be the world's most populous country by 2025, surpassing China, its population exceeding 1.6 billion people by 2050. However, its population growth rate is only 1.41%, ranking 93rd in the world. India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25 and more than 65% hovers below the age of 35. It is expected that in 2020 the average age of an Indian will be 29 years compared to the 37 for China and 48 for Japan, and by 2030 India's dependency ratio should be just over 0.4. Causes of population explosion: the difference between birth rate and death rate, then the difference between immigrants and immigrants, birth rate or crude birth rate, the number of live births per thousand population in a given year, death rate or crude death rate, the number of deaths per thousand population in a given year, effects of overpopulation, that is, even after 67 years of independence, the scenario of our country is not good due to overpopulation. Some major impacts of high population are as follows: unemployment. Generating employment for a huge population in a country like India is very difficult. The number of illiterate persons increases every year. Unemployment rate is thus showing an increasing trend. Manpower utilization, the number of jobless people is on the rise in India due to economic depression and slow business development and expansion activities. Pressure on infrastructure, the development of infrastructural facilities is unfortunately not keeping pace with the growth of population. The result is lack of transportation, then the communication, housing, education, healthcare, etc. There has been an increase in the number of slums, overcrowded houses, traffic, congestion, etc. Resource utilization, land areas, water resources, forests are overexploited. There is also scarcity of resources, decreased production and increased cost. Food production and distribution have not been able to catch up with the increasing population, and hence the costs of production have increased. Inflation is the major consequence of overpopulation. Inequitable income distribution. In the face of an increasing population, there is an unequal distribution of income and inequalities within the country widen. Demography and family planning, the population problem of India. The learning outcome from this our today's session are: the population problems of India.